Hello everybody. Today we will try to see a SQL injection union attack retrieving multiple values in a single column. This lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. The results of the query are written in the application's response. So you can use the union attack to retrieve the data from the table. The database contains a different table called users with a column called username and password. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that retrieves all the usernames and password and use the information to log in as the administrator. So, let's get started. Now, what are we supposed to do in this case? We have access to the lab. We'll click on it. We'll wait for some time. It's not going to take much time. Yeah. Where are we? We are on a website. Now we'll click on gifts as because we want to choose a particular category. Zoom it. What we can see that gifts is in the URL, and also we have our refined search. I'll try to enter a SQL character here to check what kind of error do we get. I press enter. I got an internal server error. Alright. Now what do we want to do? The database contains a different table called users with columns called username and password. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that retrieves all the username and the password. Alright, so we'll be going to the burp suite. Here we are in the burp suite and we'll check for the original request. Where is our original request? Yes, here it is. I'll send this to the repeater and put a single quote here and click on send. Yeah. Now we have got an internal server error. It's okay. Union select we are trying to check the number of columns. I'll select all and control U. Click on send. We've got a 200 OK response. What does that mean? That we will have two columns, right? Let's try the same thing with the third one. Let's say I again write null here. Click on send. It is giving a 500 internal server error. Alright, what does that tell you? That we only have two columns. Send this and we'll get a 200 OK response. Now I'll minimize this and the database contains a different table called users with column called username and password. Yeah. So what are we going to do? We'll again go back and try to put one thing in the string. So let's say A, B, C and click on send. We have got a 200 OK response. Alright. Now what do we want to do? We want to solve the lab, right? We'll use a skill injection cheat sheet. Let's say we get something from here. String concatenate substring database version, database content. No. Conditional error. Batch queries, time delay, conditional time, DNS lookup. DNS lookup and exfiltration. Oh, we don't have anything. We want to select statement, right? Oh, I'm not able to find this. So what I'll minimize it and directly look for the solutions. Here, use the following payload to retrieve the contents of the user. I'll copy this. I'll delete this entire thing and paste it here. Right? So what do we have? We have union, then we have select, then we have null, then we have username, and we also have a password. Then we are going to take everything related to username and password from users. Alright, click on send. We've got a 200 OK response. Do we have administrator somewhere? Yes. We have the administrator and we also have the password. So I'll copy this administrator and I'll will go to my account. Here I am in the my account. I'll paste this here and the another thing which is password. I'll paste that here too and click on login. My lab is solved. I hope this is clear. See you in the next video. Bye.